Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you look everyday routine. It's gonna be very glowy, very dewy, so let's go. Currently sunscreen this is Live Tinted Glotion SPF 50. I got it in the shade Deep Medium. Tata shopping line truly glass skin perfect energy. You do your thing. This Sashu Beauty lip stain. I'm going to use the Rare Beauty foundation. Arameto W Mid shade. This is a beautiful foundation. Muluk ananda marabat na miulaw. Photo bitnasu ምንም makeup ያልተቀባችሁ አይነት look ነው የሚሰጠው. አይከብድም ቆዳችሁ ላይ ምንም. It's easy to blend. So go in with my Fenty Pro Filter foundation. Concealer መሰገጥ 350 ሚሊ shade ነው. Coverage እንዳይኖረው ስፈልግ and I just sweep. I just like sweep because I'm gonna use my favorite She Glam bronzer. You can see she's a favorite. It's easy to blend, but I'm creamy now. My Rhode blush. This is the shade Sleepy Girl. When I want a natural look, blushing no davinch amatwallo. You can take your blush with the eye natural if you want a little eyeshadow effect. I'm gonna take my Givenchy powder. This is loose powder at the moment telling sucha no. But you can do compact powder, loose powder if I like but the point is don't do a lot because that እንደዚህ ስታዩት እዚህ ጋር ይታያል ኤክሰስ የሆነ ኮንሲለር ካለ blend that before you set መስመር ይሰራው and then በቃ just do this ቅንድቤን የኳልኩበት ቡኒ ኩል አለ አይደለ just ዝም ብዬ የውሸት ዝም ብዬ I love overlining ከንፈሬን NYX fat oil shade is Supermodel በጣም የሚያምረው Charlotte Tilbury airbrush flawless setting spray አብሬ ከፊት ፈርሷል so I'm gonna do a headband finishing touches for Mariam Samachinin but makeup ስለሸፈንኳቸው to make my look more natural but I'm gonna ያለ ቡግር ካለኝ እሱንም ላይነር አረግበታለሁ እዚህ ኤግዛክት ፕሮዳክት መጠቀም አይጠበቅባችሁም ራሳችሁ የምትወዷቸው kind of product መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ but yeah glowy ሆኖ ነው if you know makeup this does not look like too much makeup you can still see my skin anyway ቶሎ ምጨርሱት a very glowy everyday date ሊሆን ይችላል night out with your friends ቸኩላችሁ ምትወጡ ከሆነ ስራ ስትሄዱ ሊሆን ይችላል አርፋጆች ከሆናችሁ do this it's very simple thank you for watching bye